Meaning of DLitt.
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 DLitt. DLitt is an abbreviation for the degree Doctor of Letters, which is a higher doctoral academic title awarded to individuals for their significant contributions in the field of humanities and social sciences, such as literature, language, history, philosophy, and cultural studies. The DLitt degree usually requires the successful completion of original research, including the submission of a dissertation or thesis, and a viva voce examination. It is considered one of the highest academic achievements in the humanities and social sciences, indicating extensive expertise in a particular area of study and a significant contribution to knowledge in that field.